Welcome to the world of Afrox. Did you know that Afrox is Sub-Saharan Africa's leading supplier of gases and welding products, and that we operate in over 16 African countries with retail outlets and distributors across the continent? Not only do we offer the convenience of in-store over-the-counter products, but we can also deliver orders to your doorstep thanks to our extensive distribution network. Whatever your welding needs are, Afrox has the solution. Top-of-the-range, great quality products that you can rely on. Today, we're going to demonstrate the capabilities of the portable DIY MIG machine, known as Porta MIG 180p. This machine is ideal for the individual who wants to do general maintenance and hobby welding at home. For example, security gates, palisade fencing, burglar bars, and other DIY applications. Now come along with me and step inside our virtual demo center as we take you through the setup and demonstration of this compact MIG welder. The portable DIY MIG machine, known as Porta MIG 180p, is ideal for the individual who wants to do general maintenance and hobby welding at home, for example, security gates, palisade fencing, and burglar bars. The Porta MIG 180p comes as a complete package, including the trolley, shielding gas cylinder, flow meter, and MIG gun. Various drive rolls are also included in the package to accommodate different wire sizes. The Porta MIG is ideal for welding general-purpose mild steel wires of 0.6mm and 0.8mm diameter and is available in a 5 kg spool. Remove the Porta MIG from the packaging and assemble the trolley as per the instruction manual provided. Nuts, bolts, and a spanner are included for this function. Ensure that you have selected the correct type as well as the correct size drive roll to match the diameter of the filler wire. Fit the spool of wire to the spool hub and attach in position with the retaining nut. Cut the end of the spool wire with wire cutters and ensure that you have the rest of the wire firmly in your grasp. Feed the cut end through the guide tubes and drive rolls until it extends 50mm outside the MIG gun adapter. Tighten the drive roll with a tension mechanism to prevent back spooling. Attach the MIG gun to the gun adapter by guiding it over the extending wire and tighten securely. Remember to remove the nozzle and contact tip before feeding the wire. Set a slow speed on the wire speed selector. Pull the trigger on the MIG gun and your wire will be fed through the feeder and MIG gun. Release the trigger when the wire protrudes approximately 30mm from the tip adapter of the MIG gun. Remember to replace the nozzle and contact tip after feeding the wire. Cut the wire to the correct stick-out length. Place shielding gas cylinder onto the trolley behind the machine and secure with chain provided. Remove the dust cover and open the valve momentarily to dislodge any impurities that might have collected during storage. Connect your flow meter to the cylinder using a cylinder spanner. Attach the gas hose to the flow meter and machine. Open the cylinder valve. Pull the trigger on the MIG gun and select the correct gas flow rate on the flow meter to the desired reading. This is normally 15 liters per minute depending on the prevailing conditions, and then release the trigger. Your gas flow is now set. Tighten the tension mechanism on the drive roll. Set the wire tension by 1 turn of the tensioner. Ensure that the earth clamp is not connected to your workbench. To check whether the set tension is correct, bend the end of the wire until the sharp end faces upward and then press the blunt end of the wire against the surface of your workbench. Press the trigger, and if the wire feeds continuously without slipping at the drive roll, then the tension is correct. important that not too much tension is exerted on the wire, as it could change the shape of the wire and result in feeding problems. Select the desired volt as well as wire feed settings to indicate amperage. Reconnect the earth clamp to your workpiece. Your parameters are now set and the machine can now be used for welding operations. As Africa's leading gases and welding company, we are passionate about welding and we're here to help you get the best welds possible. Using the Afrox range of welding machines, accessories, consumables, and personal protective gear will ensure that you get the perfect weld every time.